ceramic coating has been around now for some time. And previously, back when I was first introduced to it, it was only something that you can get done at a shop by a professional. You'd bring it in, they would ceramic coat it. But now a super popular option is to just do it at home, and there's a ton of companies that make it, and one of the best when it comes to branding is gonna be Adams Polishes. It's a brand that, if you even search for car soap, has provided advertisements on your Instagram, Facebook, everything. And not to say that I'm not a victim of it, because I am, but I've been familiar with their products now for a while. And this stuff just works. So being that I don't have much exposure with ceramic products, after all, my Jeep is bedlined, I did just buy these brand new Method Race Wheel Trail Series bronze wheels, and I really like the finish, and I want to keep them in pristine condition for, you know, the life of them. I'm getting these mounted tomorrow, and the best time to ceramic coat your wheels is when they're not mounted yet. There is no risk of, well, there's less risk of them getting scratched while the tires are getting mounted to them and balanced. With minimal exposure to ceramic coating, having done it myself, as in like I haven't done it myself, I chose to go with Adams Polishes UV kit. So this is their wheel specific UV ceramic coating, and it is different between each ceramic coating that they have. They have it for the paint, they have their spray coating, which is more like a quick application as opposed to this, and they have their wheel kit. And their wheel kit is their thickest, strongest ceramic coating, just because it's exposed to more of the elements, your brake dust, your rocks flying up, and everything in between. So this kit is great because it comes with the UV flashlight, which is gonna show you exactly where you applied it. I'm looking forward to trying it out, and we'll see how it goes. Let's open up the kit, see what comes inside. Surface prep, ceramic boost. So this is gonna go on top of the ceramic coating to extend the life of it. The actual bottle of ceramic coating, and this small bottle is gonna be able to do, I think it said 5 sets of wheels. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's 5. 2 of these applicator blocks. So in here, there is 2 removal towels and then 2 single soft towels as well. And you're also given a pair of gloves and spray nozzles. This is the flashlight that goes along with the UV coating. When you take the flashlight and you shine it on anything, it just goes purple, but when you shine it on the ceramic coating, it actually glows. I know I mentioned something about the best time for ceramic coating to be right before you mount these bad boys. Best time to ceramic coat your wheels is when they're not mounted yet, but life does happen, and I had an appointment at 11 a.m. to get the tires mounted and balanced. I was going to do the last wheel and show it on camera. I did 4 last night and it got a little bit dark, but it was raining this morning, so I kind of had to go. They couldn't get the weights to stick to the wheel, so they had to take like a 3000 grit sandpaper and then polish the wheel after. But I guess that speaks for the ceramic coating, right? The first thing I'm gonna do before I clean them is try and take out the center cap. We'll get that out just because you can ceramic coat the inside of these. All right, so we'll take a new microfiber here, the surface prep, and spray it on the towel. This is the single soft that came with it. I still do think that ceramic coating it before you get them mounted and balanced is worth it. Maybe you just kind of leave a little bit of the back exposed for where the weights are gonna go. The way that I found it to be best when I did this last night, and I did 4 wheels last night, and I definitely noticed a big difference from the start to finish when it came to how even I applied it. I did from maybe this spoke here to this spoke, pour a little bit on here. We're just gonna start working in and out of there. And then I'll go this way to kind of get that cross hatch that you're looking for. I filmed this at night and you'll be able to tell exactly what I'm talking about. So it's been about 30 seconds. It's a matte finish, so you're not really gonna see the rainbow that you would if it was a gloss finish when it's starting to cure and when you know it's time to remove it. But we can just go in, barely any pressure at all. There you go. The inside of the wheels is a little bit more straightforward, but you just start here, come up, Go all the way, 50% overlap. But now again, 50% overlap. You can tell it ends right here. Starts right there. And then I'll let that go 30 seconds, remove it, and I'll do the entire inside of the wheel. One last thing. I do wipe this guy clean, center cap, and then I just apply the residual ceramic. Let it sit 30 seconds and then remove. So for this one, I'm gonna take the instructions and use it to mask off half the wheel, and I'm gonna do half the wheel for two reasons. I wanna show you guys what it looks like after it's applied with the UV flashlight, and I also want it for my thumbnail. I think it'll look kinda cool, but so I'll get going on that, and the wheel's prepped, this half. And it's good to work in sections, obviously, as you saw me do before. I'm gonna do the same here. All right guys, I've gone ahead and turned off the lights outside. How cool is that? So that's obviously just the one coat I showed on camera. It looks pretty good, it's pretty uniform. But I know exactly where I hit thanks to the UV coating. So I'm gonna wrap this one up, and then we are gonna send these wheels off to go get mounted tomorrow, and I'll show you what they look like when they're fully coated in the UV lighting as well as not. And I'll get some more videos of them in the daylight, and that should be it. My spare is naked, no brake dust on it, super hydrophobic. I don't know why I said it's naked, but I took this thing on a 500-mile road trip, and the alternators decided to light on fire when I got back, which is certainly out of character for it. But the front, you can see I already tested it a little bit, but the front has a ton of brake dust on it. It held up okay though, and the brake dust comes off super easily and still super hydrophobic, so that's what you want. All in all, not too bad, not too hard to install, and I'm pretty happy with it, so hope you enjoy the video.